Tutorial: CLP Smart and SKF eLube app, counter-controlled mode. This tutorial refers to the instructions of use for the SKF eLube app. The tutorial will introduce you to the details of the counter-controlled mode. You will learn how to set the mode and edit the settings, and how to monitor the pump and trigger an additional lubrication cycle. What is the counter-controlled mode? In counter-controlled mode, the pump operates with a set lubrication time. The pause time is based on external signals like machine contact. When cycle switch monitoring is activated, the pump requires one signal from the cycle switch per lubrication cycle. How to set and edit the counter-controlled mode. Tap on the gear icon to edit the current pump settings. To change the pump settings, tap on Edit. By tapping on the mode, you can choose the working mode of the pump. Confirm by tapping OK. Set the lubrication time by tapping on Time. Confirm your settings with OK. Set the pause counter and confirm with OK. Enable or disable piston monitoring. To choose the number of working cycles after a low-level warning, tap on the button, choose the number and confirm with OK. To apply the setting, press Apply. Uploading and applying settings requires password authentication. Enter your individual pump password. The pump now operates in counter-controlled mode. The actual lubrication time and the number of signals are indicated. Once the preset lubrication time is reached, the pump pauses. You can trigger an additional lubrication cycle by tapping on the drop icon. This action requires password authorization. Enter your individual pump password. An additional lubrication cycle is running. Read the manual for more information.